Everyone is on the social media, right? The painful thing is that you might get a video that you wish to download it and watch it later, or you want to send it to someone just for you to laugh or do whatever you want to do with it. But not all the social media platform allows you to download that video. Example is Facebook. You can talk of IG and you can also talk of Twitter. Charlie, the problem is that you bet much or quite beer or bet my day I download the video. I'm an about gallery. What I say? A Spanish man will say, no is nada DTC and trimos and AO. Okay, now this is my phone, so I'm going to Facebook. Now when I go to Facebook, any video that I want to download, yeah, let's say this is the video I want to download. So I'll just press on the share sign and wait for it more. Now then I'll click on copy link. Now the link is copied to my clipboard. So I'll just go to Google. Now when I go to Google, I'll just type Facebook video downloader. And wait small. Now the first link, I'll click on it. The first link of the video, I'll click on it. First link of whatever will appear. Now when you click on it, there is a space there. So the link that you copied, you need to paste that link here. Then press download. That's all what you're going to do. So I just pasted the link here and press download. Now there will be options indicating that you want to save it in HD quality or normal quality. Because of the quality, then you just press HD quality so that the quality will be high. Now the video is downloading. The video is downloading. Then now the video has been downloaded. So I'll go to my gallery and check if the video is there. Now where is my gallery? Yes. So when I come to my gallery, now the video has come to my gallery. So have you seen it? This is how we used to download videos from any site or any app that don't allow us to download video. You just copy the link and type it. So for Facebook, Twitter, that is how you are going to do it. Thank you. To say common fair, kosa akanga muki ish, virgin deals always.